Hi guys, today is Juma and it's Black Friday and I've got my parcel in. So I'm gonna be unboxing a parcel and trying it on. Let's go. Here it is. Grab the scissors. First I've got a polo shirt. Then I've got some jeans. And I've got a jacket. Got some boxes. Then I've got a belt. Jeans, polo shirt, belt, boxers, and the jacket. Okay guys, I'm gonna try it on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm in the outfit and it's a bit loose, but I'm enjoying it. Hey guys, I just got my jeans tailored. I'll show you. These are Levi jeans. They were slim fit and they were very baggy on me, so now I made them skinny fit.